If you want to customize clock on the lock screen in the POCO M8, start by opening the settings, and then you have to go into the into the personalization, then select lock screen. Now you have to select your lock screen style and click on the customize button. And then you have to click on your clock twice, and first of all we can change font style. Below we can also change font, not font, but basically the clock style. And right now that's actually everything for this specific style. If you pick some different styles, then you can actually find more options. Like for example, you can change color of the clock. We can try to do this, for example, with this one. Let's go over here. Now for this, that option is also not available. Okay, it is, but actually in the font settings, take a look. So we can actually change the color of the clock just over here. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.